Hey folks, how's it going? This is Mike from growershouse.com. So today we're going to be talking about the Grodan Pargro Quick Drain block. This is a 6x6x6 block. You can tell it's the Quick Drain and the newer Pargro because it has these grooves cut out at the bottom. That's going to allow a little bit of airflow and allow you to not get that surface tension adhesion against like a flat tray or something. So that's real nice feature. So yeah, one thing you'll notice is just how uniform the fibers are in these Pargro cubes. If you kind of squish around, it's kind of a waste, but sometimes it's nice to check to see out of maybe like a case to see just how uniform these cubes are by giving them a squish all the way around all the corners. And you can tell this is a very uniform cube. There's no heavy spots, there's no denser spots, and that's going to ensure that your roots get even infiltration throughout the entire plug. Other Rockwool cubes, other Rockwool brands can have kind of dense spots or spots that are too light, and that allows for too fast drainage on one side while allowing for no drainage on the other, and that can lead to root rot, smaller growth, less ability to steer and control how you irrigate and feed your plants. Another bonus advantage of the Pargro cubes is they are a little bit denser, even though they do have good drainage, than a standard Rockwool slab or cube. So if you're planning on moving your plants around, or if your plants are trellised and can rock, that's going to ensure that you don't round out your corners and the cubes stay nice and solid throughout the entirety of your grow cycle. Alright, thanks for watching folks. If you have any more questions about Rockwool or any other type of media or media selection, please check us out at growershouse.com. As always, thanks. Take it easy.